Here's how you can safeguard your project against errors. For this example, whenever you have static meshes with collision set to no collision, the data validator would trigger in the log, as well as the actionable message at the top of the viewport. Using several different systems for this, so make sure to include them in your build.cs file. Now for the code itself, starting with the header, ensure you use with editor to strip this automatically on shipping builds. Then to overrides, first checking for the assets, see if we have them. Second, the actual scanning of the level, finding problems and pushing the actionable message warning. Here's those implemented. Getting the assets, ignoring anything with the decorative tag. If no errors, clear it. If we have some with errors, then show the data validation message and then the actionable message. Now, let's check this in the editor. Drag a few things in for this purpose of the test, removing the collision, tagging one of them, decorative, saving the map, applies the check, and there you have it. Validation error in the log and actionable message in the viewport with the handy Fix It button. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.